Alright, welcome to Hello Mechanic. Today we're going to be removing the door handle on a Gallardo. This little trim piece often breaks when guys don't know how to remove it. As you can see right here, trim piece broken there. So just remove the door panel. There are other people that show how to do that. It's pretty simple. And then you're going to have the door lock mechanism pinched in here. Now, this is the inner door lock mechanism. This is what holds it to the door inside of there, like that. And this is the outer one. Okay, this is the new one because this one, the tabs are broken off for the lock there. Okay, so the way that this is connected on the back, you see these little slots that feeds into these slots right here, and then this little lock tab pushes over. See how that just clicked like that? So it's not so easy when you have it together. So you're going to put this inside the door, and then you're going to feed this from the outside this way right here. You got to kind of trickily wiggle it inside here, like this, wiggling it in, actually like this, wiggling it in there till it gets all the way in there. Click like this, then you'll make sure those things pop on the back, and this just fits over it like this. And then it's very tricky to do. You gotta do both hands. Push it down like this, and then slide it in place. There we go, locked in place. And then I gotta get it back off. There you go. That's how you get it off. Okay, easy to do.